Welcome to Nikit Engineers official YouTube channel. In this video, we showcase our cutting-edge robotic welding automation solution, specifically designed for bellow assembly plate with the Micro Circular Welder. At Nikit Engineers, we specialize in providing innovative and efficient welding automation solutions that cater to various industries. Our state-of-the-art technology and expertise in robotic welding ensure precise and high-quality welds, enhancing productivity and reducing manual labor. In this demonstration, you'll witness the seamless bellow assembly plate welding with our Micro Circular Welder, a highly advanced tool capable of achieving intricate circular welds with exceptional accuracy. Our robotic welding system utilizes advanced algorithms and precise control mechanisms to execute flawless welds, ensuring optimal strength and durability. This video showcases the capabilities of the Micro Circular Welder, highlighting the benefits of robotic welding automation, including improved welding speed, consistent weld quality, and reduced rework. Whether you are a welding professional, an industry enthusiast, or simply curious about the latest advancements in welding automation, this video is a must-watch. Join us as we delve into the world of bellow assembly plate welding and explore how our robotic welding automation solution revolutionizes the welding process. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our future content. If you have any questions or would like to explore our welding automation solutions further, feel free to reach out to us through the provided contact information. Thank you for watching, and we hope you find this video informative and inspiring.